How's it going, everyone? Larry here. A little different video for you today. You'll have to excuse me, I got a cold. But we are at a new restaurant here, Whatabuger. I was first introduced to this restaurant when I was living in Houston. And the grand opening was yesterday, and I was planning to come film it. But as I said earlier, I got a cold and it was getting the best of me. But it's 10:35 a.m. now. And as you can see here, the cars are already starting to line up. It's definitely a good restaurant. I like the food. I'm gonna go in cine mode here. And let's go right here. Here's where the line begins, I think. I went to another one maybe like a week and a half ago, and it was in a town called Lutz. And it was their first day or second day of opening. And I waited 45 minutes in line there. But what a burger. Sometimes people say the name fast and they think you're saying Whataburger. But yeah, I am happy that it's pretty close to me. I'm in the parking lot of an old Steak and Shake restaurant. And it's I see a for sale sign up, so maybe I'll jump in line when I finish this video. And they even at the other location, they had armed security guards out there, like directing the traffic. And I'm like, is this a little too much? Excuse me. I'll mute out all the coughing. See if I can zoom in there. And I'm going to zoom back out. But this location, this is the town of Brandon. But as you can see, it's beside a major highway. I'm surprised the lanes are not blocked like this outer lane here, but I don't want to, but I think I am going to get in line here. Let's see if I can find that security guard. Yeah, I figure around 11:30, it should really get busy here. I'm going to try not to talk too much because the more I talk, the more I want to cough. And I think I can get a little lower. Let's see. But yep, Whatabuger. Anyway. Yeah, I think I'll get in line after I conclude this video. But I think while I'm out here, go back in normal mode. And this is Brandon here. Mission Barbecue. And we'll take a stroll down here. We won't go over the road, but yeah, put the camera up. There's a, what is that thing called? Checkers. And it's just a big plaza. I'm not sure what part, but there used to be a store called Kmart in this big plaza, but it's not busy yet, but around 11:30, it'll get pretty busy out here. And in the far, we'll go over here, and I'll try and get over the road. If I get a break, pause here. But there's another restaurant over here, right there, called Portella's. Very good restaurant. I think we're, come on. We'll go over here till we can get a break to go over. Here we go. We'll take this opportunity. And here's Portillo's. I just noticed this thing up here on the top. Let's take a closer look. I need to go in cine mode. For some reason, this drone seemed to be fast today. Yeah, I never noticed this thing. I've been going here for years. Can't exactly read what it is, but oh well. Let's see what else we could show you out here. It's a Sam's Wholesale Club over here. Where am I? 100 feet. Let's go ahead and a little more altitude. And I'm gonna turn around here. And then you got the Brandon Town Center, the mall up here towards the left. But I'm gonna turn around. There's a lake not far from me right here. I think it's on the opposite side of me. But let's see how big that thing is. There's a Mitsubishi car dealership down to my left. And we'll fly over this. Let's speed it up, and we should be able to make it. And boom. matter of fact, I never been behind this building, but I'm assuming it's like every other thing. Maybe where you load and unload shipments. Okay. Should start seeing that lake up here. Get in normal mode, get over this road. Where's that lake? Maybe I need to go a little higher. Is this it? Okay, I think this is it here. I thought it was bigger. Well, when you drive by it from the road, it looked huge. But I guess not. Maybe this is the lake. I think this is it here. And it's still not big, but just imagine how many alligators are out there. See if we can spot one. Okay. I'm gonna bring this at home and get in line for a burger. What was this place? Used to be Burlington Coat Factory, now it's just Burlington. But yeah, one day we'll come up here exploring. But let me get back over here. And I'll do a return to home. And the drone should drop near me. Yeah, I can do it manually. No need for return to home. Let me see here. Point the camera down. I gotta get over these trees. Maybe I'll go over the building here. And then I could come down slowly. Okay. Make sure there's no cars coming. I can land this thing. Let me pick the camera up. There you see me there in the parking lot. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna get in line here and grab me a burger. Till the next video, peace out.